first step will be to install the footrest. There'll be an indentation, air hose, putting the footrest onto the body part. You'll make sure that those plastic pieces are on the side. You want to just give it a little push down. To install the 2 screws with this Phillips screwdriver will be to close the zipper. Next step will be to install the side skirt. You'll make sure that you want to put those plastic holders. It's matching so then it's not uneven. You will notice that there's 2 holes on the side skirt. Locking the screws into place. And for the remote, there's a flat side to the remote and the other end, the female end. You just want to connect it. Next step will be to install the side panel. Lift up the bottom portion of the side panel. At a 45-degree angle, the side panel fits the metal prong on the body. And before connecting the last latch on the bottom, you'll want to connect the USB or the cable jack. You'll want to press down on the last latch. This one, there will be an extra cable jack. You'll want to connect, and when you connect it, you'll hear a click. Then afterwards, there's an air hose. Press down on it, you'll make sure you want to hear that click. You'll want to start by placing the bolt into the tablet holder and then turn it clockwise to lock it in place. It's not wobbly. You want to move it back and forth, and if it moves, that means it's too loose, so you gotta tighten it more. Next step is the hip pillow. You want to stick the layer in between that space and lock it in place with the Velcro to make sure it's secure. To power on the chair, you'll want to plug the power cable and then turn the power switch on. To turn on the chair, you'll want to press the power button on the remote. And you'll want to test it by pressing the auto button, which is a circular button. It'll take about 1.5 minutes. And you'll want to check for the airbags and check to see if there's no abnormal sounds and make sure everything's functioning properly. Thank you.